Hello, this is Luigi from Free Synthesis European distributor here in IWA, and we would like to highlight some new products. This is the first line of Immortal products. They are all made of steel, without threadings and things that can break. They are soldered and they can be pushed up to springs of 200% without any break, any failure, any flexion ever. This would be in the market in 3 different colors. There is naturally, black and diamond white. Another product of the line that is going to exit this year is this new barrel from the line of Immortal series. This is a stainless steel barrel, IEZ 304. It's made from a different shape and a different technology, because usually barrels are made through extrusion. You extrude the tube, but extrusion has a problem of floating. So you have inner diameter like this. In this way, we cut from a flat panel of inox. We cut the size we want on a rectified plan, and we are sure that the thickness from the first to the last point is always the same. And working the steel, cold steel in this case, allows to have a higher tenacity of the item and long-lasting treatment. Obviously, because it is much harder than normal, all the cuts must be done in electro-erosion. As you can see in the particular, they are very precise and they make no debris inside. To get the final cleaning inside the barrel, we use 5 different grains of diamonds. So you have very smooth and flat internal, and it is all certified to have 2 microns of tolerance. That is the lowest and the most precise barrel in the world. In the past few months, we presented 3 different gears for grease, for air group, silicone and Teflon at high quantity, polymetal grease for bushings, and a new product that is this grease. This is a new kind of grease for gears that has inside a polymer to make it adhere and stick to the gears. Also, if you go very fast, you must apply this very thin, more or less 0.1 millimeter, and this is not flying away in the gearbox, it just stick to the gears. This allows to make a cementation and a very flat surface of contact between the gears, because inside it has molecules of metals and the polymer that make the adhesion of the molecules to the surface. So it's very thick and it is very long lasting. Also, the avian grade of the grease allows you to have the same work from below 0 to 100 of centigrade. That allows you to play with no problem in very cold conditions or in very hot conditions with the same grease. Our new piston heads are much higher ventilated than usual. So, as you can find here, you can see as a double O-ring, a much wider canyon for the O-ring, so it can breathe much more for high speed rates. and the second o-ring is designed not to scratch the cylinder. As you can see, it has a little hole here in the top. This is not to push the final part of air into the barrel, so you don't have the turbulence of the last part of the air in your BB. And the holes have been made larger to allow much more air get through the air group. These come in 4 different variants with 2 o-rings and ball bushings, 2 o-rings but no ball bushing, 1 o-ring with and without ball bushings. It's made from air-graded aluminum named Ergal, and this is made from polymer. The last thing, our new motors. This motor is speed up with an 11.1 2000 milliamperes minimum to 47,000 repetition per minute. This means that my gearbox with normal ratio gears shoot 42 BBs a second. Thank you for visiting.